Ka Business Advisory Committee hakalai puai trik naitung kalapun bena baka dorbar senrai jong kayeng dorbar tauan ke jela kan long san singi kenti kata na duk ka arpesaw haduk ka arpu pratrik nailar arja arpnrio. Ulampang kayeng dorbar u Thomas is sangma habakren cakilat patai kubor hadin ka jingalang ula ong baka komiti da ka wekasur kala menjuri kini kisingi syong bishar dorbar. Ha kani ka jingalang ka BAC lawan nation benta da sembut menteri rangba ubakmi ya ka parliamentary affairs ubak Preston Tensong u nong yalam kaliang persha umukul sangma u chief whip kaliang persha ba Charles Pingrop u secretary ka assembly Malthus S sangma nalor ki wepat kidkan da ka wei ka rai ka BAC kala menjuri ka kalender jong ka dorbar senrai ka balaterwa ong ulampang. Naikisan singi jong ka jingsyong dorbar, lai singi kan long nakabenta banyak kran ki kam bayade berkesorgar, bat arsingi nakabenta ki kam jong ki dekat shimen. Halor ka jingsong kia ka bayade berkejing lingkot jong ki singi syong dorbar, u Thomas ula kubur ya kani Henry ula kular ya baro ki dekat, bakin yoklot ya kalat ban kran. Ka jing a ya kapor kalong kakam kebakong san, ngan persangkat kebala ban ailat ya baro ki dekat bakin yok ban penpau ya lagi jingsong kia bat kiman hapok yang dorbar ula ong.
The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly had the Business Advisory Committee meeting to chalk out the calendar for the autumn session, and today the BAC had agreed upon having a 5-day autumn session commencing from 24th of August 2026 till which is Monday, and till 28th August 2026, which is Friday. So we are going to have 5 days of autumn session, wherein there will be 3 business government business days and 2 private members business will be held. So the BSc had agreed upon, and it was attended by the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister in charge Parliamentary Affairs, Leader of the Opposition, Dr. Mukul M. Sangma, and Opposition Chief Whip, Mr. Charles Pingrop. I will try my best to accommodate all the members concerned, and I will see that all members get the opportunities to express their concerns at the floor of the House.